Artists have always reflected on what's going on in the world. It has always been the catalyst for my work. And that's also been the way in which I sort of heal and sort of take care of myself. You know, I've been trying to get to this point for quite some time. It takes a village to build this sort of massive sort of project. So when this piece arrived here, it was wrapped until 2 days before the opening. And that's really was the first time that I had seen the piece in its full glory. Part of it's a little sort of an out-of-body experience. The elements on the body are sort of these decorative home decor objects that are called Sirocco, which is really from the 60s, 70s. I was interested in that floral relief and wanted to use that as a way of sort of bringing that floral adornment to the body. Thinking about Mother Earth at the same time and just its relationship to nature and this sort of new growth. So all of that was what was informing how I would approach bringing that sort of relief surface to the body. And there's a nostalgic sort of element. You know, it brings us back to places far and beyond. And so I'm interested in just these links to things that we sort of see around us, that we surround ourselves with, that we can sort of connect to.